Hi, my name is Jordan Kolodziejski, and my lesson plan is on the standard units of measurement. The original title was Measuring in Inches and Centimeters, but I modified some of the information to include other forms of measurement, which we will see in later slides. My target audience was 2nd and 3rd graders with the subject area of math, measurement, and data. Here you will see lesson objectives, such as measurement uses and learning to measure. You can also see the Common Core state standards. By clicking More Teacher Notes, you will see how technology was adopted for the teacher to guide the student in learning and practice. You can go back to the objectives and then click What's Measurement, which takes you to the lesson. On this page, you can see what measurement is used for. This page is also interactive. If you use the eraser, you can see how to measure in inches and in centimeters, like so. You can also use the ruler at the bottom and switch from metric and imperial rulers. Now let's proceed to the next lesson. On this screen, I would have students come to the board and drag their answers into place. And so on. I would give them feedback by pulling the tab across the screen and having the answers line up. Next, I would have the students stay seated and ask what they thought the answer was. I would then hover over the answer to show them if they were correct. Here, I would line up the ruler with the line given and have the students write the answers on a paper I would later collect. Then, I would randomly call students up to write their answers in the squares. After that, I would show them the answers. I would then briefly go over a few conversions with other forms of measurement so that we could play this next game. It is a version of Hangman. You click the clue and then try to guess the letters based on that clue. This would be used as a review. Finally, I would have them write their answer to this question on a piece of paper. We, as a class, would then answer the question collaboratively and check our answer. This last slide would be used to give the students links to practice games they could play at home. I can also click on these pages to give a short demonstration of these games, and that would conclude my lesson.